grab your favorite mug of coffee and cozy up because today we're exploring the world of new age retail, brick and mortar stores with online ordering. Today, the retail landscape is evolving rapidly with e-commerce and online ordering taking center stage. While small retail businesses often hesitate to embrace online shopping systems, a closer look at the numbers screams risks may be well worth it. Online sales are driving profitability like never before, with estimates for 2024 exceeding a staggering $6.3 trillion worldwide, and it is expected to climb higher in the years to come. But hey, does that mean that we should abandon our tried and true in-store sales? Despite the online boom, brick and mortar stores continue to hold their ground. Why? Well, because customers crave the personal touch and hands-on shopping experience that they offer. So for many small business owners, these stores remain the heart and soul of their operations. I know, Heidi, get to the point, come on. Gain access to a global audience and enjoy 24/7 availability, all meanwhile maintaining the hands-on experience at your store. How to do it, you ask? Embrace a hybrid business approach. Do you know what's also easy? Subscribing. To truly connect with your audience, it's essential to invest in well-trained staff. Make sure your staff is well-trained not only in in-store sales, but also that they can provide personalized service online. Since the hybrid model strongly relies on the digital realm, it is crucial to seamlessly blend your online and offline channels for a comprehensive shopping experience. Your website should be engaging, user-friendly, and visually appealing. Professional designs and clear product descriptions are key to attracting and retaining customers. Integration is the key. Streamline your transactions by integrating your POS system, online ordering systems, and website. This ensures a smooth operation and enhances the overall customer experience. As you need to ensure accurate stock levels and minimize overstock or stockouts, here comes your next tip. Optimizing operational efficiency with Inventory Manager software. It has to be integrated into your POS. This way you can have retail inventory updates across channels. So make sure to invest in a modern POS system that comprehends all these features. Guess what? iPOS has everything you need. iPOS is a cloud-based solution that perfectly blends inventory management, online ordering, a delivery system, and a website, all in one place. Now skip to the next tip. Engage your customers through mobile apps and live streams while ensuring your website is mobile-friendly. Remember, in today's digital age, mobile shopping is the king. These days, prioritizing security and offering various digital payments options is key to meeting modern customer expectations. Your POS system holds a wealth of valuable data, so collecting data is your next step. This invaluable information will give you insights into your business, your customers, their preference, and their browsing habits. With this knowledge in hand, crafting effective sales and promotion strategies becomes a breeze. Use the data to personalize interactions and offerings in real time. This personalized approach fosters customer loyalty and drives repeat purchases. And finally, let's not forget about promotion. Education-based campaigns and special promotions can further boost your business visibility and success. So get out there and promote your brand in social media with confidence. And there you have it, folks. 10 actionable tips to elevate your retail game and embrace the hybrid approach. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable insights to elevate your business. I will see you soon.